Roast chicken panzanella Sunday lunch. Ingredients: 150 grams of unsalted butter, softened. 2 garlic cloves, crushed. 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters, of extra virgin olive oil. 1/4 cup, 20 grams of parmesan, finely grated. A 1.6 kilograms whole free-range chicken. Half bunch of basil, small leaves picked to serve. 1 lemon, halved. 1 loaf white sourdough, halved horizontally. 500 grams of cherry truss tomatoes. 1 red onion, peeled, sliced into thick rings. 3 anchovies, roughly chopped. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Preheat oven to 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. Place butter, garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil and parmesan into a medium bowl, season and stir to combine. Using your hand, gently loosen the skin from the flesh of the chicken breasts and thighs, being careful not to tear it. Spoon half the butter mixture under the skin, gently working it down the breasts and across the thighs, for an even layer over the meat. Spread 1 tablespoon butter mixture over the top of the skin and stuff the cavity of the chicken with the basil and lemon. Spread remaining butter over the cut side of the sourdough halves and place on a wire rack over a large roasting tray. Place chicken on top of sourdough and roast in oven for 1 hour 30 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through, then remove from the oven. Transfer chicken to a large dish, and rest, loosely covered with foil. In the roasting tray with the cooking juices, add the tomatoes, onion and anchovies. Drizzle over the vinegar and remaining 1 tablespoon of oil, then season, and toss to coat. Roast for 20 minutes, turning occasionally. Cut sourdough into 3 cm cubes and place them onto a lined baking tray, drizzle with 1 tablespoon oil, and cook in oven for 15 minutes, or until golden and crispy. Add croutons to tomato mixture and turn to coat. Serve chicken with crouton and tomato mixture, topped with reserved basil leaves.